Is your MGZS key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. This video will guide you through a simple battery replacement. The MGZS key fob uses a CR232 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. First, carefully pry open the key fob case. Some models may have a small release button or slot. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. Remove the old CR232 battery, noting the polarity, positive side up. Insert the new CR232 battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Clean the contacts if there's any corrosion. Close the case firmly. Test the buttons, lock, unlock, and boot release. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next section for resyncing instructions. Replace the battery, but your MGZS key fob still isn't working? A resync might be needed. Hold the lock button on the fob while turning the car's ignition on and off. This can help the ECU recognize the fob again. If the case was difficult to open, check for damage to the internal spring or contacts. Corrosion can also cause issues. Clean gently with isopropyl alcohol. If problems persist, consider that some models manufactured between 2020 and 2022 had tighter seals on the key fob and might be more difficult to open. If the LED indicator on the fob isn't lighting up, it could indicate deeper hardware failure, which requires professional assistance. While rare, a faulty circuit board may also be the cause.